Hi, boys. You guys haven't eaten for days? This is a very serious situation that you're in. My goodness, starved. And then all of a sudden these fresh baked homemade... Hey, I'm talking. Oh! I'm talking. These fresh homemade biscuits become available. Are you the spokesman?
Yeah.
Oh, well, excuse me. I can't talk. Hey. No. We can't. Really? Really? I can't even get a word edgewise in. Well, that's a good story. It does explain. Well, okay, yeah. Oh, goodness. It does explain. Can I talk? Right. I want to talk. Well, it does explain some things. Yeah, it definitely does. Yeah, it explains why you're being so bossy. I mean, yeah, you haven't eaten in days. This is what you tell people on the streets? My goodness, we're lucky that the hotel gave you guys back. Yeah, you're lucky you're not in the pound for dog abuse. Murray, you didn't tell those lies, did you, baby boy? You would never tell those lies about your parents because they're not true. You're such a good boy. See, Murray doesn't tell stories. You're a talker. You tell stories. You fib. What about you, Roots? Do you tell stories? No. You don't tell stories either. Just you. You are the storyteller. My goodness. Unbelievable. Okay, I'll give you these treats. It's your last supper. Sit down. Yeah, Murray gets his first because Brody was so bossy. And guess what? Macaroons gets his second because he was least bossy. And hey, Bosco, be nice here. The anticipation was going to kill you. Good boys.